Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vishnu EDU. Today we are going to be learning about the parts of a flower. So here I have a hibiscus. You can also call it as a China rose. So over here we have I drew the diagram over here, the full diagram over here, and then as you can see it has the okay. So over here we have the this is the male reproductive part, we have the female reproductive part, and then petals, sepals, pedicel and thalamus. Okay. So now let us see in this. So over here pedicel. So actually I don't have a pedicel. Why? Because because I already pluck it. So that is why I not take the pedicel. And so after that it is very thin. It is almost as thin like this. And then after that you have the thalamus, which is swollen, which is a bit thicker from our pedicel. And then now you have this sepal. Okay, so now I'll just remove this. Okay, so as you can see we have the nectar over here. Just squeeze it out. See, it's little bit sticky, as you can see. There's some drops. Okay, now moving on to our continuation. So this is the sepal. So as you can see, you have some leaf like structure over here. Okay, and so those are called sepals. And then after that you can see over here that we have some petals. See, so they beautify the nature. Why? Because so that they can attract insects, and so it can also help in pollination. How? It is because when the insects come over here, and then once they suck the nectar, some of the pollen grains stick on their body, and then once it moves on the other flower, it comes off, which is also called the pollination. It is not a self-pollination, it's a other type of pollination. Okay, so it is called the cross-pollination. Okay, so now we have the petals over here. We'll just okay, now after that we have the ovary. I'll just show it after removing this, some of these petals. As you can see, see, as you can see, it's little bit sticky. See, it's little sticky. Okay, so that's the nectar. So we'll just remove the petals. Okay, so just don't be harsh. Means like once you remove, just don't be like that. It's like full sticky because of the nectar. See, it's full of nectar. Okay. Okay, so now this is the male reproductive part. Okay. Okay, so as you can see over here, the female reproductive part. Okay, so it is somewhere inside, I guess. I think so. It is in. I think so. This is actually like a unisexual flower, because no. So it is somewhere situated near the thalamus. So it might be somewhere over here, somewhere. But then now we're focusing on the male reproductive part. So just keep all of these aside. Okay, so now you can see here we have the anther. Means like once you remove them, you can see this orange powder over here. This is called the anther. Okay, so this is the anther, this powdery, this orange powder, as you can see over here. And then after that as you can see this stem type structure, which is connecting the anther to the style, is called the filament, and then both of them together creates a stamen. Okay, so those are all the parts of a flower as we learnt in this video. And then and so this is the male reproductive part. In the other okay, so the ovary is somewhere inside this. Okay, yeah, you can see right, some round type structure over there. Okay, so over there, so okay, so as you can see, we have the ovary. It's really small. It's very small. Okay, so here we saw the ovaries. Okay, so I hope that you. So I hope you learnt about the parts of a flower. Over here, so over here, as you can see, it is very small, and those are the ovules. Can you see? Okay, so those are the ovules. And so thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, you can click over here. If you want to watch more of my videos, you can click over here. For one of my playlists, you can also click over here. Thank you. Bye bye.